Cell block test. 2 more plates and lie in water. Go.
You only did 1 teaspoon.
Yeah, but that dropped the resistance down from what was it, 190 to 70?
130 to 70.
Now you can see that there's some brown buildup crap on the opposite side of the cells, and that's because of the tap water, probably.
Yeah. Just with 1 teaspoon of water.
But all those plates are pushing all that crap over to this side. You could probably, if you were to have a bunch of plates and a bunch of open water on one side.
Should we do a volume test? See what we'll create for volume?
I think we're going to have to do that here soon. But you could probably, if you had a bunch of plates and a bunch of open water, and you had a way to collect the crap on the side of the open water, you could probably just about purify tap water.
Yeah.
We're making more.
Think?
Yeah, no, look at all the bubble buildup.
Yeah.
I don't think it's making more.
Well, there's a burn-in time too. It needs to run like that for about an hour. We'll get our best production in about an hour.
Yeah, but I think immediately, right now, it's producing more bubbles. And if you notice, the bubbles are smaller.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and pause it. Let's do a volume check, see actually what we're creating for a volume.